Good morning, and thanks in advance for behaving for Mr. Graham for me today. I appreciate you. Um, you probably have already done, number one, the llama test for 20 minutes. Hopefully, you picked the ones that made the best sense to spend time on and then turned that in after 20 minutes. The next part we're going to get started on is the SBAC packet of doom. And then after you get done with that, you're going to work on Alex. So this is what the SBAC packet of doom, the first page of it looks like, just so you know that you're working in the right packet. Your assignment is not to actually do any of these. It's to spend 15-20 minutes actually looking through this packet and putting a star, like read each question, and you don't have to do the question, but put a star by the ones, ooh, that's not a star, put a star by the ones that you think, okay, we've done something like this, I have an idea how to get started. And then for the ones that you really have no clue on and think we've never talked about or never seen in class at all, you're going to put a question mark by. So that's it. That's all I want to know. But I do want you to take some actual time and look at it. You do not have to, to put a star, you do not have to immediately know the answer or be super familiar with it. It just needs to be something that you have seen, you have an idea how to get started on. And the question mark should only be for ones that we have not seen anything like that at all this year. And so really need to make sure that you ask me about it before we get to the SBAC. And that's how we're going to use this packet for right now. All right. When you're done with that, you can work on Alex. If you are at the 300 or above, you can you can actually get started on the SBAC practice packet of doom if you'd prefer. So, all right. Think happy thoughts, think things like sunshine and all that kind of stuff, and I will see you on Monday.